So there are a lot of foods out there that are going to increase your testosterone levels naturally, and there are a lot of foods that are going to lower them. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at a food that can have a very negative effect on your androgen levels. All of the information in today's video, plus much more, can be found in my book, Master Your T. Visit masteryourt.com for a free digital download of the book. $20 in value, absolutely free for you. Let's check out, what is this nasty food that lowers testosterone? High polyunsaturated fat vegetable oils. So the majority of cooking oils used around the world in the 20th century are refined vegetable oils, i.e. liquid oils extracted from plant sources, usually seeds and nuts or soy. And these are then processed in various ways. To begin with, most of the vegetable oils are incredibly shitty sources for cooking due to their low smoke point, which makes them go rancid immediately. The often used refining process, bleaching, deodorizing, and degumming, strips them of any sort of micronutrients that would have, and they leave a trace of sulfates, but all the vitamin E is gone. Even if you're not using it for cooking, high-PUFA vegetable oils are a disaster for your testosterone production. There was a really well-done study in 1997, which clearly demonstrates in human male subjects how increased total fat intake boosts testosterone levels, increased intake of saturated fatty acids boosts testosterone levels, increased intake of monounsaturated fats boosts testosterone levels, and increased intake of polyunsaturated fats, PUFAs, reduces testosterone levels. Now, all vegetable oils are loaded with PUFAs. Things like coconut, palm oil, avocado, and olive oil are actually not vegetable oils, they are fruit oils. And they have monounsaturated fat and saturated fat concentrations, not PUFA concentrations. So the bottom line here is that dietary fat intake should be moderate for optimal testosterone production, and basically the amount of saturated fatty acids and monounsaturated fats should be prioritized, whereas high PUFA vegetable oils and other types of PUFAs are foods that decrease T levels and T production. A high PUFA diet is a disaster, not only for your testosterone levels, but also for your thyroid functioning as well. So if you like this information, if you want to know more about the different types of fats you should consume to increase your testosterone naturally, but more than that, just everything you should eat, everything you should use as a supplement, different herbs, micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, everything you would ever need to know about naturally increasing your testosterone is in Master Your T, my book. So you can get it for free over at masteryourt.com as a download. And when you opt in to get it for free too, you'll also get a $5 coupon for TestroX, which is pretty cool. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, there's a playlist on the channel called the Master Your T series, and you can find a lot of different videos about natural testosterone production. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.